So basically, we all know that volcano is that if the heat present in the earth called heats up, it comes out in the form of volcano. So we are also here for this small experiment of volcano eruption. So let's start it. For the volcano eruption, you need meter soda or baking soda and vinegar, white vinegar or any vinegar you want to take, and you can take haldi or food color for the colorants of the volcano lava. So let's start it. For first, we have to take a paper and roll it a little and insert inside it. Then take some baking powder. Guys, this is opening. Guys, it is opening a lot of time. Wasting my time only. My and yours time also. You need to take baking soda and insert it inside. You can take 1 spoon and most probably take 2 spoons for the better volcanic eruption. Then keep it back. We are taking vinegar and baking soda because we all know that baking soda and vinegar act oppositely, so they will erupt it. After adding vinegar, after this you have to add the paper gone there. My mistake. After you have to take vinegar. Before taking vinegar, you also need haldi or turmeric. So for this you have to make the roll again and then take haldi. Take it a little. After that, take vinegar. This thing is better, but we will add a little more. Now it is ready for eruption, so let's keep it at the side. For adding, I will use this paper only. So this is vinegar and we are going to insert it. So let's insert. You can see it's all come out. We can see the explosion. How comes it? It comes out suddenly because baking soda and vinegar acts so you can see it is coming now also up. They act oppositely and they react when we mix up. And if you try, please don't try this at home. And if you try, take some elder with you and make sure that please do not do this thing that take some some vinegar and take some baking soda, mix it and close the cap of the bottle. This will blast the bottle. So be careful by doing all this. Thank you.